Hello there, future tech pros. Are you ready to start your career in IT? Today, we're presenting the top 5 IT certifications for beginners that are sure to help you get a stable career in your field of interest. These certifications cover the hottest areas in tech, including cloud computing, cybersecurity, data consulting, and network security. So, let's get started and see how each one can set you on the path to success. Number 1 on our list is the Microsoft Azure Administrator Certification. If you're interested in the cloud, this certification is a must-have to mastering Azure resources. You'll learn to manage and monitor cloud environments, implement and manage storage solutions, and configure virtual networks. It's the perfect career for a cloud computing career with Microsoft Azure. Next up is the CompTIA Security Plus certification, your gateway to the world of cybersecurity. This certification covers everything from threat management and risk mitigation to network security protocols. It's designed for individuals aiming to become cybersecurity professionals, ensuring you have the skills to protect and secure any network. Google Professional Data Cloud Consultant Certification is the absolute best option for the data enthusiasts out there. You'll gain expertise in data integration, data analysis, and cloud architecture. It's a valuable resource for aspiring data consultants and cloud professionals looking to leverage Google's powerful data solutions. The PaltoAlto Network's Certified Network Security Engineer, PCNSE, certification is a top pick for network security enthusiasts. This certification polishes your ability to configure and manage Palo Alto Network's next-gen firewalls, ensuring robust and secure network environments. It's perfect for beginners aiming to become network security specialists. Number 5 is the Fortinet Network Security Expert Certification. Specializing in Fortinet security devices, this certification provides hands-on experience with network protection. It's ideal for beginners wanting to dive deep into network security and get practical experience with Fortinet's industry-leading solutions. Okay, these were 5 of the most helpful and sought-after certifications for your career success. As you know, Pass4 Future helps the IT certification enthusiasts to effectively practice and prepare using our 100% accurate practice tests. Go on, visit pass4future.com to try our free demo questions and start preparing for the upcoming certification exam.